But this is really too sad. We must make her proud of us. But how? What can we do? She won't be happy unless we all do well. Do you think that's possible? And then suddenly it clicked. Yes, I said, why not? We will make it possible. If we all work together, we can do it. Right, let's do it. So the next day, we, the whole class, sat together to discuss the plan of action. We all agreed that those who get good marks should help others. That is all very well. I have tried to help before, but no one is interested. They don't want me to help them. Perhaps you are too bossy. We have better things to do after school. Who wants to sit and do maths? You can help by giving us the answers. See what I mean? And they are both way behind the class in maths. This will not do. Do you think Desai ma'am will be proud of a class of copycats? You must study till you understand your maths well. It's rule and you have to follow it. And what if they don't? And there are many like them. I have an idea. Let some of the students work as our searchlights. They will visit us at home, talk to us every day to see that we study. And what if we have difficulties? Let us also have study guards like Niyati who will help us out of our difficulties. That's a great idea. Let's have study guards for every subject. It didn't take very long to identify the SLs and SGs. We put the POA in motion immediately. We did this without letting any of the teachers in the secret. We wanted to give Mrs. Desai a surprise, but she is really too good. She spotted the change within a week. Something is at work in this class, I am sure. No one is ever absent. Everyone pays attention during lessons, and I see a different look in your eyes. Something has happened. So then we had to tell her. She was really impressed. You people are really amazing. What wonderful ideas, such a determination. There is no other class like yours. We felt so happy. We were on cloud 9. Every one of us began to try hard, honestly. And you will not believe this, but we were actually all quite eager to take the second test and get the results. This time, when Mrs. Desai walked in with the report cards, she was all smiles. She congratulated each one of us personally. However, there is one last thing which I must tell. We had hoped that we would all do well. Many of us did do well, but alas, there were still some who get poor marks and some had even failed. So then we all began to feel crushed. Naina, who had got a red mark in her card, couldn't bear it. I have let the whole class down. No, Naina, you haven't let anyone down. Look at your card. Last time you have got only 2 out of 50 in science. And this time it's 16. That's quite a leap. You have started off in the right direction. And I know you will keep it up. I am proud of you, each one of you. Can you guess what happened in the next test?